The following is a demo of B2Report that shows how to bring in data from your ERP's database or any other database and create reports without having to write SQL. B2Report is a powerful enterprise reporting solution that combines a user-friendly visual query builder with the power of Excel. It allows you to create custom reports directly from your ERP's database or any other database for your financial and operational needs without having to write SQL. B2Report is an integrated application within the B2 Win Suite from NASDAQ. Working with B2Report is easy. After successfully setting up a database connection, you'll be able to visually browse all the tables within the selected database. Select the tables that contain the data that you want by using drag and drop. Join the tables together. Select your output data and organize it by adding aggregation function, group by, sorting, conditions, virtual fields, and more. Once you are done with the query, drag all the fields or columns to the spreadsheet designer. Clean, prepare, and enrich the data using the user-friendly builder, and use the power of Excel to generate graphs, charts, and tables for an insightful data presentation with one click. In this demo, we will be covering the following topics. Create a new report. Prepare, clean, and enrich the report data. Create an input form. Release to production, and print reports. Use Excel templates with your reports. Organize reports for end users. In B2Report, click on New Report button. Name your report and add a description for it. Choose the input server and the company, then click Create. An empty design will show up. Click on Create New Query button to open the query builder. Here we'll be able to search for a specific table and drag it to the canvas. The first table will be our master table. We'll drag a second table and join the two together. You can search by table, description, or table code with full data dictionary support. We'll add a third table and link it with the other two tables. Linking can be done with a simple drag. Click the link icon to change join settings. Search and add fields to your report. You can search by description or field code. As you can see, joined fields are marked and use the same color as on other tables. Select your output data and organize it by adding aggregation function, group by, sorting, conditions, virtual fields, and more. A preview for output data is displayed in the lower part of the screen. After we are done with the query, click on Save Query and then Close. After we have saved our query, we'll get to the spreadsheet designer with all our output fields selected by default. Uncheck the fields that you do not want in the report. Drag and drop the field names to arrange your report columns and click Done. Organizing the data is easy. Drag and drop to add columns to your report. Remove columns. Split columns. Rename header. Drag and drop to rearrange columns. Add calculated column. Write the column title for the new column and add the formula. Change data type. Name your design. You can create multiple designs or data views for the same report. Once we are done, we'll create an input form for our report. Go to Input Form Builder. Drag and drop the fields you want for the input form. Set up the default values for the input field. You may also build a zoom-in for a table so the user can pick exact fields while running a report. Hit Done to save your settings. B2Report has a development environment that allows you to work on your reports and release them to production to provide access for end users according to company policy. Click on Actions and select Release. Acknowledge that the report was tested before changing report status to Release. Now we will fill the input form and run the report. We can choose to download the report or send it to Output Apps for additional settings. In Output Apps, we can transform the output file to other formats, choose the design that we want, select the distribution channel, and much more. Click on Settings in B2 Distribute to set the structure for the output file. There are lots of options for generating a file name, including variables and system settings. After we're done, we'll hit Run. The Excel file is ready to be opened. Here's our calculated field. The date field is separated into 3 columns: day, month, and year. Add your Excel template. Give your template a name. Choose the template's location. Provide the path on the server. Enter the sheet name, where B2 WinSuite will write the data. After we are done, let's run the report again. This time our report will be generated with the template. Voila! Our Excel file is ready with all the data that B2Report fetched from the database and automatically organized with different presentations of the data using the pre-prepared template. By default, all newly released reports are located in the Uncategorized folder. We can create folders and organize our reports to create a menu for the entire company with user-level and department-level permissions. Move reports between folders. We can also add reports to favorites. Once we are done organizing, our end users will easily be able to browse reports, search, and generate reports on a daily basis. Are you ready to start creating meaningful reports without having to write SQL? Contact us today.